Want to know when your WhatsApp messages have been read? In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to enable read receipts on WhatsApp. Whether you're using Android or iPhone, this quick guide will help you turn on the feature in just a few taps. To get started, open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone or iPhone. Once you're on the main chat screen, tap the three dots in the top right corner if you're using Android. On iPhone, tap the Settings tab at the bottom of the screen. From there, select Privacy to access your account's privacy options. Scroll down until you find the Read Receipts option. You'll see a small toggle switch next to it. If the switch is turned off or appears gray, simply tap it to turn it on. When the toggle changes color, usually green or your device's accent color, read receipts are now enabled. Keep in mind that when you enable read receipts, you'll also be able to see when other people have read your messages as long as they have this feature enabled too. However, this setting does not apply to group chats where read receipts are always active, and it also works differently for voice messages, which always send read confirmations. If you ever decide you don't want others to know when you've read their messages, you can return to the same privacy menu and switch the option off at any time. You're all set. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tech tutorials.